Good morning, Manoj. My name is Mordani, and today I'm speaking for the topic Diya should be replaced by lights, and I'm speaking for Avinti version. Diya should not be replaced by lights. And why do I think that? Because if lights were better, then why would BPM Modi trying to break a Guinness World Record by lighting 22.23 lakh diyas in Ayodhya? And the previous record was 15.763 lakh diyas. Such a huge difference. What do you guys think? And lights cost money. Plus, we have to pay more money for the electricity. It is better to use Diya for play. It looks more beautiful. We use Diya for praying to God, or so do we use lights. And it is also more religious or more beautiful way to pray to God. Diya candles everything is more good, more better. I can't think of a thing that a light does, but that a light does, but a diya can't do. Sure, it takes smoke and it has to be refilled with oil again and again. But still, people use diyas more. So what do you guys think? And why do you think that? Thank you.